We all know to turn our clothes inside out and use cold water, but here are a few things that you may not be aware of. Use a detergent that's free of whiteners or softeners which may damage your bike clothes. Adding a couple of tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to your wash will help that detergent penetrate the breathable clothing and remove stains and sweat. If your clothes still smell funky after washing, use a cup of white vinegar, but only add it in the rinse cycle, since adding it to the detergent may degrade the detergent. Hang your clothes to dry. Don't place them in the dryer, since the heat of the dryer will damage the breathability of the fabric and will also damage the padding of your shorts. Rinse your helmet at least weekly by placing it at your feet while you shower. Sweat will deteriorate the lining very rapidly, and it's a good idea to rinse it at least weekly, more often if it's real hot and sweaty out. When washing out your water bottle, don't forget the lid. Use a Q-tip on the inside and the outside portion of the lid and remove any mold or other gunk that will build up and is hard to reach with a brush. You know that using a leather preservative that contains beeswax, and we list a few in the description, will help protect the leather, preserve it, keep it from cracking, and make it somewhat water resistant. Your bike kit is what you wear from your helmet down to your shoes. If you have further tips or ideas, tell us what you do, and please comment below. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.